Hey, hi, I'm Kumar from KJV Technologies, and my business is like laptop service, desktop service, printer service, TV service, everything we are doing. So, all with bills, GST bills, and all we are giving. Earlier, I used to use this one app for billing purpose and all. So, but I didn't get any support from them. If I stuck somewhere, no, they will not call. I mean, if I call also, they will not pick my call. If pick also, they will take a time. So then one of my friend recommend me to use this Vyapar app. Then I given a call to Vyapar App of customer care, and they installed in my system. I am using from past 3 years. I didn't face any issue with the Vyapar app. They given a best training for me, and my business is running from around 8 years. We are running in the same field, and we opened recently one branch in Electronic City. So we have two branches. In there also I'm using the same Vyapar app. Till now it is running very smooth. Mainly I'm using for this like GST purpose, invoice purpose and all. The customers also very happy to get the bills in good designs and all. Everything is fine. I didn't face any issue with the Vyapar. I highly recommend everyone to use this Vyapar app.